Y'all, I really don't want to wake up.
What?
I have 3 kids to take care of. Let's go. Y'all, hear that rain coming down, yo. Jeez. And it's all that I've done this morning is feed her. So since when I combo feed, it literally takes forever because I do both boobies. Oh, you love your baby sister. Okay, so it takes me forever to combo feed her. My coffee is ready and I haven't even drank it. And I need to get the kids some food. They both had a banana, but he's still hungry, obviously. A banana, it was a snack, okay? Her eyes are wide open.
Where might she do?
Oh my gosh, she's smiling. And then I put Malachi in our bed this morning. He freaking threw his head back and hit me right in the cheekbone. Oh my gosh, I just laid there. And I was just like...
Where? I'm trying.
She's not crying. She's crying.